Okay, this video is going to be on order of operations. Now, to help us with order of operations, we have this phrase called PEMDAS. Okay, and this helps us remember the order in which we need to go in. So this P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponent. M is multiplication. D is division. A is addition. And S is subtraction. Okay, and then the next thing we just need to talk about is these M and D, and then the A and S, they kind of go together. So once I get past the parentheses and exponents, and I get to multiplication or division, I go from left to right, like I'm reading a book. So whichever one comes first going left to right, that's which one I do. Okay, so now let's look at this example. So we have in parentheses 3 squared minus 7 plus 10 divided by 5. Well, going off of PEMDAS right here, P is parentheses, so we need to start there. Okay, now we focus on, well, what's inside the parentheses? Well, I see an exponent here, so I need to do that first. So inside my parentheses, I do 3 squared. Well, that's really 3 times 3, so that's 9 minus 7. Keep my parentheses, and then I'm going to rewrite the rest of the problem. Okay. Well, I'm not finished with my parentheses yet. I still need to do 9 minus 7. Well, that becomes 2 plus 10 divided by 5. All right. Now I see, well, PEMDAS, what do I need to do next? Well, division comes before addition. So the first thing I need to do is 10 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then I'm going to rewrite the other numbers. Then I'm just left with 2 plus 2. We all know that is 4. And there's my answer. So that's order of operations.